Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to utilize and customize Blocksy's trending posts feature. Okay, so first things first, we're going to head over to our dashboard, click on Blocksy, and click on our extensions tab over here, and make sure that our trending posts feature is enabled. If it's gray like this, click on the toggle icon, make it blue, and we're good to go. So if you scroll down here on our site, you'll see we have this element called Trending Now, and it's this gray bar over here, and we have a bunch of different blog posts to take a look at. So let's go ahead and customize that by clicking on Customize, and that should take us to the WordPress Customizer, and we'll scroll down over here and see that we have trending posts. Let's click on Trending Posts and see that we have our trending posts here. We can change the module title to, let's say, Hot Topics. And we can change the post type to either products or posts. All right, so you have products over here, and we have tables, tablets, on sale, top rated, or bestsellers. Let's see if anything changes. It should be the same. We'll have 3 tables here. And we can customize it by showing the price or not, showing the taxonomy. So we have table from the tags and whatnot. We can change the image size if it's just a thumbnail, how we're going to align it. And if we probably put the product price here, this should show up. All right. And we can change the design. We can change the font, right? You can see it change over there. We can change the title color. We can change our post title color. We can change our arrows. We don't have any here, but we can also change the container background to something like something dark like this. And we can change our inner spacing just like that. So let's click Publish and refresh our site. And there you go. There is our trending posts module element thing all customized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.